Math 76, lesson 95, we are writing decimals as percents. So this is continuing our lessons on how to write the same number in many different ways, right? So the very fast way we're going to learn how to do this is if we need to change a decimal number to a percent, we simply just need to multiply by 100%. Because if you remember, percent means out of 100. Ooh, my poke is in the way. All right, so percent means out of 100. So I've got a few different decimal numbers here, and I'm going to show you the different cases that we could run into when we have to multiply a decimal number to turn it into a percent. So first we got 0.3. So we're just going to multiply by 100%. We put the percent on there so that way we can have the percent label in our final answer. And to multiply a number times a 100, we should remember from previous lessons, all we have to do is just move the decimal point over the same number of place values as there are zeros. So since I've got two zeros and 100, I'm just going to move this over 1, 2 to make a bigger number. That's going to be 30. So that equals 30%, because now that decimal is behind that zero. Right? Same thing here, and I don't even have to write the words times 100. So once I see this, it's really simple. All I do is I grab the decimal, I move it over 2 spaces, and 0.3 becomes, or sorry, 0.03 becomes 3%, right? Because the decimal's behind the 3, and then any zeros in front don't matter. Right? Now, what if we have this? What if we have a whole number with a decimal? Well, we still move it over 2 places, and we end up with 310%, right? So any numbers that are bigger than 1 will end up being more than 100%. And then what about this? What if we end up having multiple decimal numbers? Same step. We're still going to move it 1, 2. Right? We see now that's 3.5, so that's 3.5%. Right? And that's it. That's all it is. Turning decimals to percents is a very, very easy lesson. There's not much else that I can show you on that. It's a simple process, and a lot of the lessons that we've been doing in the past kind of build up to this, so that way this is an easy transition for you guys. So, but if you're still having trouble, don't be ashamed. Let me know on the school website, and I'll see you later.